Alright, just an update on the TB138FR here with the Yanmar engine. So I got it all covered up because we got a foot of snow, heavy wet stuff, and then it rained and just made a mess. So I was able to test the fuel pump. I was able to use a hydraulic adapter, get that on the fuel line, and then I was able to get the gauge on there and everything. I've used the 3500 psi gauge. Each one of the 3 ports on the pump are supposed to put out 3000 psi, and I'm only getting 1200 at ports 1 and 2 and 1500 at port 3. So I ordered a new pump, $3,000 from the dealer, but I was able to find one on eBay. There are a bunch of them on eBay. Yanmar brand pumps straight from where they're made in China and Japan. So I was able to order one on there, $1,200. So that'll be nice. It's going to take a month to get it though. So that's just the update for that, and just want to let everyone know so you can have an idea of what your issue might be with the way your excavator's running, or skid steer. That engine's in a bunch of different ones. So all right, everyone, thanks for watching.